Congratulations from Archers International, Gina Lynn Abuel. Another Eco-Magnet awardee, Rhea Manyari from Archers International. Ayan, at syempre para mas lalo pong espesyal, hindi lang si Ma'am Ping ang magkakamit ng e-compete, kundi ang ating reigning official top 1, si Sir Kid, Coach Kid Malazarte from Cebu. Congratulations, Rhea. At meron pa, another Eco-Magnet awardee, palakpakan ho natin next sa mga score, John Kevin Perez from Archers International. Come on, palakpakan natin, make some noise. This is a prestigious award, ladies and gentlemen. Every year, aakyat po kayo ng stage, and you will be forever recognized for this prestigious award as one of the member of the elite club of Maximum 88. At syempre pa, meron pa. Tawagin na natin, let's welcome another member of the elite club, Rhea Rana from Archers International. Let's give it a once again for Rhea. Ito pong Eco-Magnet na nasa harapan nyo are the best of the best. The cream of the crop. Once